Hey, how you doing, folks? This is Bob from Homesteading with Sadie. Here, Sadie. Today we're going to show you how to make a homemade chicken coop out of pallets. Now, you can probably go anywhere and get pallets for free. People are always putting them out there, whether on the side of the road, whether certain businesses are giving them away. So we're going to show you how to take them apart, sand them, and then build a coop. Here we go. Let's get started. Pre-drill the holes in the bore so we don't split anything. It's always nicer when you don't split anything. So, just get my mark. Alright, so we got them together. First two parts of it together. Where's the line? Inside. So. And you get them the right way. Now it's long. So I'm taking it, I'm just throwing a couple of quick screws in it, tack it together, so I can go from there and start getting my other measurements. So, so I'm putting together, put some temporary braces on. This is to get it square, so when I start making cuts on my other boards, I'm getting the correct measurement. Gonna know exactly where it all lays out. So now this is the main part. This is actually gonna be the inside the chicken coop. Now next what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a couple 2x4s. I'm gonna build my side braces. Along with that, I'm gonna add a foot out to the end here. All the way across, and then it's gonna be a 12x12. And that's actually gonna be the spots where the chickens can lay their eggs. So I need two 2x4s, 9 inches. cutting pin. Here we go. Between the where I'm gonna put it on the where I gotta secure it to the two sides. But the good part about this is I can get them both out of this one piece. So let's cut them. Here's the start to our chicken coop. And right now we got the main coop and where the eggs are good, where they can lay their eggs. And as right now, it's going to be a 38 by 40 coop wise, and then the lay gain area is going to be 12 by 12 sections. Or I'm just going to put a split, make it 2 here. So as of right now, you got 12 inches off for the 2 boxes. Off the ground, it's 2 foot off the ground. First of all, it makes it easy for us to access. Number 2, the way the screen's gonna be put up, they'll be actually to go underneath it, get out of the weather. If they're out in the pen, they can get out of the weather and just get up underneath or go up in. The notches from the pallets actually are working out because it gives me a better reinforcement when I put in the blocks. That way I can tap in on the short part and do the full length. So at this point, I've actually go ahead and I've grabbed a bunch of the boards that we've already got cut. So I'll go ahead and secure them, and then we'll sand all this to smooth, make sure there's no burr. I'll go to the back, I'll cut a straight line, we'll cut it across. Putting a brace in the middle to hold all the floorboards so I can connect them all together or protect the whole center. Just got to do side and back, and then we'll figure out where we're going to put the openings, a window, a door, let them in and out. Well, getting somewhere. It's getting a lot more sturdier. So we just got to get some more boards. As you see, we got one wall done. Now, getting ready for the second wall. Make sure in the square, I measured from the outside outside here to the outside here, and then added a half inch. And I had to go back and forth a couple times, 2-3 times, to make sure that these were two beams are square. So I had the same exact measurement top and bottom. Went and pre-cut some boards, getting ready to throw it all together. Third wall's in, and started the roosting area. Alright everybody, that's it for the first video. If you like what you've seen, hit the like button. Subscribe, hit that little notification button up there. Stay tuned for part 2.